Good day guys, it's Aman Singh. Today I'm gonna show you how we can lodge tax on myGov, and there is a service link on myGov site. Once you log in, you can use the Australian tax office link. I show you in next slide. So under the services, just click on the Australian tax office. If you don't see this link under your myGov, then you're supposed to contact your Australian tax office to link the services under myGov. The next step is click on the income tax and click on lodge. So once you click on Australian tax office and clicked on the action lodge, the first screen that you see is the contact details. You just need to check your contact details here. Just make sure your name and address and number is alright. And the next one is your financial institution detail that you need to check. Under this, make sure your financial institute, your bank details, bank name, everything is correct, because that's where you're gonna get your tax return in case you have refund. So let's go to the third screen where you need to enter your personalized return. So here ATO will ask you some questions like, are you still a resident? If you are not, then you're supposed to tell from which state to which state you are not a still a resident. So as you can see on the screen at the bottom, are you still a resident? You should select yes if you are still a resident. And on the same screen you have another question. If you have spouse during the financial year, click yes if you have spouse and give the details. The next screen you see is the pre-filled information from the ATO. It's the beauty of the ATO website. This is already filled from ATO based on your provided information or your last year return. You just need to check if the tick marked information is correct as per your return that you're gonna file, and you must have ticked the first one, salary, if you are on salary, and or wages. If you have employment termination ETP, you can see third on the screen. You're supposed to tick this one. If you have foreign employment income, you're supposed to click that one. Here is the very general ticks that we get while we are filing return, because we are on salary and have a stringent interest, which is already ticked. So as you scroll down on the screen, you see other options. Make sure all those are correct, and if you are getting rent, click on rent, as this person was getting dividends as well. Dividends are ticked. So you can check the other options. If you are having any foreign income turn, you're supposed to tick that one. Otherwise you don't need to tick if you are not having. So the last questions that we see on the screen are in deduction related. If you have work related expenses, make sure if you can claim, tick here. Otherwise you can't claim the travel expense for your work if it is just from home to work, but from work one side to another side you can claim, or from work to work you can claim, then you can tick. All right, and gift and donations, here that person have ticked gifts and donations. As you tick all the required options, just click on next. Once you click all that, you come to the next screen where you need to actually fill up the numbers. That part I'm not gonna tell you in this one. That will be in my next video. I hope you like how you see the first screen when you start logging in to the myTax and start to lodge your tax. Most of the people don't know what options they're supposed to tick and how they will see the screen when they come across that one. So there is no hesitation, very easy, very simple. Just on the next screens you need to fill up your income tax withheld deductions that I'm going to show you in my next video. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Please click on subscribe button and click on like. Thanks guys.